The new education slot today. Okay, so what are we here in BNI for? Next slide. What are we in here in BNI for? Why are we in BNI? On the chat box. Come on, guys. On the chat box. Right. So we are here for business. Okay. But how do we get business? In what form do we get business? In what form do we get business? Okay, networking. Once you do networking, then referrals. Right, next. So we receive business in BNI through referrals. Okay. Now, did you receive a referral recently? So I want all of you to just go back in time and just focus. Okay. Did you receive a referral recently in BNI? And I want you to focus specifically on how did you follow up and how did you execute that referral, right? Next. How did you follow up on the referral you got? Did you follow up and did you close that business? Or did you follow up and not close the business? Or you did not follow up? Or there was some other issue with the referral, okay? So you might not think of particularly just the last referral, but last couple of referrals, okay? Next. So, should handling referrals we receive be our priority? Okay. Is that a yes or a no? So that should be our priority. But why? Why should it be our priority? Okay. So I'm going to give you two answers. Next. Now that you've got a referral, okay. Number one priority. Why it should be your priority? Because it's good business, obviously, because you are growing your business, right? So therefore you need to follow up on that referral. Second, a BNI member has referred you. So it's common decency that you follow up on that referral, right? So everyone agrees to that? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Yes, okay. But there is one more important factor, and which is the most important factor why you should follow up on that referral. Can anyone tell me on the chat box? Whoever gets this will get one brownie point from DLT. Come on, guys. Credibility? No. Nope, nope, nope. Come on, anyone else who can think of a reason that you should follow up on a referral? Shows seriousness towards your own business. Okay, it shows commitment for the referral. Okay. Anything else? Accountability. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer. Next. You, next, asked for it. Members, focus on this. You asked for it. Only then you have got that referral. So it is your prime responsibility to follow up on that referral. Whether you close the business or not, that is a secondary issue. But it is your responsibility because you have asked for it. And that is why we have given you that referral. And if you don't follow it, if you don't follow up on that referral, guys, that member is never going to give you any more referrals, right? So this is the most important reason why you should follow up on the referrals that you receive. Next. Okay, so now I have found out top 3 reasons why we do not follow up on referrals. Next. Number 1, you are too busy. Come on, guys, is that even an excuse? You know, is that even an excuse? I don't think so. It does not follow in any of the parameters. It's not of the sort of business you want, right? So now if you have this issue, you need to talk to members who has passed you that referral and explain to them why that referral is not perfect for you. Or the second reason for this could be that your sales pitch in BNI is incorrect. Whatever you are telling in BNI to all our members is somehow not sending out the right message of the kind of referrals that you want. Okay. Third, the information on the referral is incomplete. So once, if you face this issue, talk to the referring member and you will definitely get the information. Okay, next. So another thing, to close business, time is of essence. So for example, if anyone calls me and tells me that Rahul Bhaiya, I want a cake on the 31st, okay, and I do not follow up on that, and I call up that person on 1st of February, is that a valid referral for me? Is that a valid referral for me? No, because time has already passed. So similarly, even in your case, time is always of essence, and you must follow up on that referral then and there. Next. So before ignoring a referral, always remember you asked for it. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Rahul Agarwal signing.